The EmberEquine software was designed to be simple, efficient, and user-friendly. In this video, I'll be explaining the basic layout and organization of the software, along with how to customize, perform, and review exams. First, we'll cover the EmberEquine homepage. The Start icon allows the user to enter locations. Under each location, mares or stallions can be entered. We'll cover that in just a moment. Next, reports. By default, you have a report for contact, location, animal, event, and vet. Next is search. You can search on exam, event, animal, location, contact, or name. You enter the search information here and then hit sort. Last, the hamburger menu. From the hamburger menu, you can go home, start, new contact or mare, reports, setting, and search. To begin a reproduction examination, you must have two parts of information. First, hit Start on the home page. Next, locations can be entered here. Under New Location, enter the name. And a contact. If the contact is already in the database, you can select that here. Then hit Save. Once you have a location entered, you can start entering mares and stallions under that location. Select the location and add a new horse, mare or stallion. The required information is name and primary contact. If Tom is not found in the database, hit the plus key, enter his information, and hit Save. Now Lucy is associated with Horse Valley Ranch. So under Start, go to Horse Valley Ranch, select Lucy, and you can begin a new examination. In this segment, you can enter in left ovary, right ovary, left cyst, right cyst, cervix, edema, fluid, ovulation, bred, pregnant, next event, and notes. One of the powerful tools of EmberEquine is the ability to customize your reproduction or pregnancy forms. To do this, go to the upper right-hand corner, select Settings, and select Edit Forms. It'll ask you or give you the opportunity to select any of the following forms. In this case, select Exam, and then select Reproduction Exam. This gives you the list of items that are entered for the reproduction exam. When you select this Edit tool, it allows you to move that up, down, edit it, or delete it. In this case, we'd like to add a field to our reproduction exam. Select Add Field, and let's say you'd like to keep track of whether or not the mare has twins. Enter twins, a field description, and an abbreviated name if you want one. It's not required. Hit the arrow key, and then you can select the type of parameter that's associated with this. In this case, we want to know yes or no. So we'll select this. Once selected, hit the arrow key. Option 1 is yes. Option 2 is no. Hit the checkbox in the lower right-hand corner. And now twins would be present at the very bottom. We have the option to move this to the top or move it up one at a time. I'm going to move it up 2 places and then hit the back arrow key. Now I can go into my exam and show you where it's located. I'll go to the hamburger menu, Home, and hit Start. I'll select Horse Valley Ranch, Lucy is my horse, and New Exam. And now you can see twins present, yes or no. Performing a new reproduction exam. First hit Start, select the location the horse is at, and then select the horse, and then select New Exam. You go from left to right in this process, and with a touch screen you can use your finger to sweep to the far right, or this bar will incrementally sweep you to the right. So we'll begin with the left ovary. The number can be entered, and you can do multiple ovary measurements. Once completed, hit the Enter key and it'll take you to the right ovary. Again, you can hit either one or multiple ovary measurements. Then any cysts that you'd like to measure, left and right cysts. Multiple measurements may be made on the cyst. And then the cervix is done by a rating softness between 0 and 4. Select the softness, the visual uterine folds between 0 and 4, and the fluid. You can select yes or no if the follicle is present, and whether or not the mare has been bred, whether or not she's pregnant, or if you're doing embryo transfer. In this area, you can add an event to reschedule and go visit the mare again. To do this, hit Add Event, schedule the date of the event, and the reason. There are some default reasons here. We'll do a pregnancy check and any additional notes. Once you have all your notes in, hit Save. And if there are twins present or not. And then finally, any additional notes can be entered here. And then save. This reproduction exam will be saved with any images that you send over from the Forvet J. In this column it will indicate how many images were sent and then the information you entered for the exam. If you've yet to experience EmberEquine or have additional questions on this topic, feel free to reach out to our team via email at sales@junipersys.com or by phone at 435-753-1881.